Hi, I'm Sienna. Welcome to New Home Lifestyles. We're showcasing the best in new home design from around the country. Today we're in Suwanee, Georgia with Lennar Homes, taking a look at the Parkside at Suwanee Town Center. The model is the Bentley plan. Let's take a look.
Hey, this is Ryan. I'm here at Parkside at Suwanee Town Center, and you can see behind me, this is the Bentley model home. It's a 3-story townhome right in the heart of Suwanee. And you can see right over here, that little tower right there, that is City Hall. So we are walking distance to Town Center. The only new construction within walking distance to Town Center. At Town Center, there's the park itself, there's shops, there's restaurants, there's the outdoor amphitheater, playground, there's an interactive water feature for kids, a couple of gyms within walking distance. So it's a really cool area if you're not familiar with Suwanee. And we're like about 30 or 35 minutes from Atlanta, so it's a really nice community here in Suwanee. We're gonna go inside and tour the model home. It's a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath townhome. All of our townhomes are standard 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath. And there's a couple of structural options and really cool features, and most of these features with these townhomes are standard, they're included. And we'll take a quick walk through and show you some of our finishes. This is Izio. He's my coworker. We're the 2 new home consultants here, and we're gonna give you some really cool footage of the inside of the model home. I'm gonna turn my camera around here and tour it. All right, maybe we won't. All right, so you can see behind me there's some apartments going on. There's a lot of building, a lot of activity in this area. It's a really popular area. The schools in this area are Gwinnett County High School, Gwinnett County North Gwinnett High School and middle school.
Top 10 schools in the state of Georgia.
Yeah, top rated schools, and then the elementary school is Roberts Elementary. So, and I'll let Izzy go up and he'll show you. So this is the entrance. Some cool features about our homes. If you see over here.
Standard with Lennar Ring doorbell.
That's right, all these technologies included. You get a Ring doorbell, you get a smart door lock, smart thermostat. It's pre-wired for internet. It's really cool.
9-foot ceilings in every level.
So we'll come in the main living space. Yeah, so you can see it's completely open. And like Izzy said, it's 9-foot ceilings. Other townhomes in the area have 8, maybe 9. Some are 10 with the charger for different heights. Our standard is 9-foot ceilings, so it's really open. And you see there's no bedrooms on this floor. This is your living space. You got your living room, kitchen, dining room, and in the very back there's a little bonus space. That's what I mentioned, the structural option. That's a little sunroom. They have it as an office, so you can make it a sitting room, eating area. You can do whatever you want with the room. I'll have Izzy talk about the kitchen. Show them some of the features.
Well, we have 42-inch cabinets. The kitchen vent is an exterior vent, so anything that you're cooking, any smells, any smokes is going to the exterior of the unit, doesn't stay within. Quartz, you want to show them quartz countertops.
That's right, quartz countertops.
The appliances, as you can see, 5-cook top range oven and microwave. That's standard, that comes with every unit here. LED lighting, LED recess lights. And point out that. You can explain them. What is that weird thing up there?
It's not a smoke detector, that's a ruckus internet extender. There's one on all 3 levels in this townhome. And what that does is it sends out your internet signal on all 3 levels in the home. So, and it's already pre-wired and it comes with that equipment. Everything we see in this model home is standard. And the good thing about that technology, it's all included. So it's really cool that Lennar, as a company, they're the only new home builder that can say that they are Wi-Fi certified. That's a really cool feature about Lennar.
Gas fireplace with gas logs included as well.
A really nice fireplace. All of our townhomes are gas fireplace. Nice granite surround. So really nice features.
And behind the picture here, it's pre-wired for your TV. You don't have to add any more wires or make any mess. It's already pre-wired.
And of course, all the flooring. We kind of skipped over that when we came in. All the floors, you see the oak treads on the stairs. There's no carpet on any of these staircases in these townhomes. You go down the street, other builders, you look at their model home, you want that? Check, 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 and they're adding up all these options and features. So you want oak or wood on the stairs? Not here at Lennar. Everything you see in this model home is included. Another thing about the staircase, you see these iron balusters. They're not the wood white painted ones that you want, you know, the iron, they charge them. No, we don't do that. We don't charge it for anything extra. Everything you see in this model home it's included, that's right. So this is the Bentley floor plan like I mentioned outside. This room, this is really the only option as far as adding things on in this town, in these townhomes. Normally you have a door here to go out to a deck, a little bit larger standard deck. However, the model home was built with this extra sunroom. So you get about 100 extra square foot here, and then they get an extra 100 square foot sitting room in the master upstairs, which we're about to go see. Down here is your half bathroom. There's a pantry right off the kitchen. And we'll go up to the bedrooms. See, up here in the hallway, you can see some of the finishes. You still have your wood floors, standard. Some of the other features you see in our laundry room and bathrooms. You get ceramic tile on the floors.
24 inches is standard, 24-inch tiles,
Yeah.
floor and wall.
Oversized tiles, which are really nice. There's no, vinyl or linoleum in the, other builders. You want ceramic tile or a hard finish, they're going to charge you. We don't do that. That's all included. Same thing on the walls. You don't have a fiberglass surround. All of our showers are ceramic tile, which is already included in the home, which is really nice. Over here you can see some of the secondary bedrooms. Both of these secondary bedrooms are staged with a full-size bed. So decent sized rooms. You can put plenty of furniture. Also in this room, full-size bed. And we'll go check out the master retreat. Here's the master bedroom. I'm kind of skipping over it because I like this room the best. This is the optional sitting room. Just like downstairs, you saw that extra sunroom. Normally the wall, stops on this floor plan right here, and you have a double set of windows, but you have this extra space, extra sitting room. So the nice thing about when they build it with that option is you get a total of 200 more square foot. It's approximately 2,200 square feet, but when they build it with this extra little bump out sunroom edition, you're looking at a 2,400 square foot townhome. And here's the bathroom. Same thing in the other bathrooms, ceramic tile on the walls and on the floors, quartz countertops, just like the kitchen downstairs. Your separate water closet in here. So,
Sitting area in the shower.
yeah, nice little bench. Good sized shower. Come on, Izzy, show the size of the shower. I'm gonna demonstrate for you, just so you can see how big the shower is. He's gonna hold both of his arms out.
Yes.
And show you. He can't even touch. Look, that's how big the shower is.
5'10".
Look at that. He can't even touch both walls, reaching straight out. So that's a huge shower. So that's it. That's our Bentley model home. And we have 3 other floor plans. They're all very similar, about the same size, same square footage. Check out our website, lennar.com/Atlanta. You can find my information on there, find Izzy's information on there. Reach out to us if you have any questions. You can check out pictures, you can see the floor plans. Let us know if you have any questions. And make an appointment so you can stop by and see the model home and tour it for yourself. Bye.
Bye.
To learn more about this community, click the links in the description. Be sure to stay tuned for more new home showcases.